Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to generate Creditors Outstanding Report. Select Module Financial Management from the PMS menu. Select Submodule Reports under Financial Management. Double-click the option Creditors Outstanding under Reports. Select the account code from the Help screen. Enter the vendor code range. Select the date, month or as on option. Choose the desired option from the Net Balance field. Select the option from Print Sequence field. Select the option Summary or Detail. Click the OK button to generate the report. Click Continue to generate the report. The report is generated in this format. Thank you.